Sri Ashok Birla had a vision. If you see his career, he did many firsts in India. So he started the first. Actually, it was more his grandfather started ITM in 1937, but he continued. So the first cutting tool idea was the first cutting tool company in India. There was no cutting tool industry in India before Birla started ITM. Then he could talk about tool holders. The first tool holding company in India was started by Birla Business. Earlier it was called Birla Kenamakel in 1980s. Then Birla Yamaha was a joint venture with Yamaha of Japan to make diesel engines and generator sets, which also my grandfather started. We had a factory in Dehradun. First generator manufacturing factory in India. Then, we had viscose staple fiber. We had a factory for that. Again, one of the first to have viscose staple fiber. Then, Dagger Frost, which is earlier company which we had, which we sold to Motherson Suri. But that was the company which was the first gear cutting tools and broaches in India. Then finally we had, Birla 3M, which was a joint venture with 3M of USA, which first time in India made glue, jo post-its ke sticky notes aate, that glue we used to make adhesives, as well as abrasives and also telecom tower equipment. So again, first manufacturing in India, right? So he was a visionary, he was ahead of his time, and he had that certain legacy ki India ke liye kuch karna hai. India ke liye, why India should not have all these industries, why only abroad should have all these industries, Why should the technologies not come in India? And even we were the first carbide cutting group company in India. I didn't think anybody knows that. He went there, he was giving a speech with some local politicians, and he was just addressing the gathering. He was saying, my vision is to build a tool park here. I want to build a tooling park here, which is just, never before been seen in the tool industry, not only India, but even worldwide. So he bought 20 to 25 acres just to make a complete tool park there. And these words always stay to me because coincidentally when I joined the company in 2014, someone told me about this vision of his.
अशोक जी जैसा सरदार कहाँ, अशोक जी जैसा सरदार कहाँ। आने वाली कल की आज बड़ी बातें उन्होंने सुनी थी, सपनों को अंजाम दिलाने संभाजी नगर की भूमि चुनी थी, संभाजी नगर की भूमि चुनी थी। इंडियन टूल नाम का आखिर यहाँ लगा पलक, ना जाने कितने महत्व पर इस मिट्टी का लगा तिलक, इस मिट्टी का लगा तिलक। लोग आते रहे, जुड़ते गए और कारवां बनता चला, किसी का दिमाग, किसी की मेहनत, अस्तित्व का संघर्ष चलता रहा, अस्तित्व का संघर्ष चलता रहा।
My grandfather, Sri Ashok Birla, was not just building businesses, he was building possibilities. At a time when India was still finding its industrial voice, he chose to look outward, he chose to look forward. There were bold collaborations, strategic gateways that opened India to global capabilities. But what truly defined him was not just what he built, but how he really built it. Today, that spirit continues to guide us in every partnership we form, in every innovation we pursue, and in every step we take. And that future continues. Forward together.